Bayathanda abantwana abadla amakhekhe anensangu laphana-ke ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana njengoba kubonakale ubudedengu basisi obekade egade iy'ngane. Sawubona kuphi nakuphi la kufuneka khona lo mbukiso njengamanje. Mlaleli wami enza sure ukuthi usuku lakho lokuqala uyasubscribe-a, uyalayika. Kanti-ke ngabe ungalayika uyazi ukuthi uyaye ulayike bese ulinda ividiyo izophela bese ukhomenta okuye khona khona. Sisi-ke usabalala ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana okuyena ophunyukwe izingane zadla ama-space muffin wathola esikhwameni sakho. Mayechaza-ke usisi uthi yena ube-clean kodwa-ke ubenganake-kwa kunaka ukuthi iy'ngane khona la eseziye khona endaweni ebucayi njengoba-ke ama-space muffin yena beyisiza ngokuthi awadla njengoba ebe-clean. Kodwa-ke ubone ngoba esebone iphepha emnyango ukuthi hayibo iy'ngane sezidle ama-space muffin zawageqa. Baningi abantu abakhulume ngokuhlukahlukana kwabo bemgxeka kodwa-ke kutholakala engenacala ngoba ayikho into abengayenza njengoba-ke iy'ngane zizona ezingenele esikhwameni zathatha ama-space muffin zadla zona zithi intshontsha amakhekhe ngendlela-ke ekubonakale ngayo. Njengoba uyibona mlaleli wami evidweni, iy'ngane besesibhedlela zihleka ubala njengoba wonke umuntu esho ukuthi cha, uma ngabe udla ama-space muffin usuke uzohleka ubala noma-ke usuke uzolokhu wenza izinto ey'ngawenzi umqondo. Ube nenkinga usisi ukuthi achazele abazali ukuthi ngempela kwenzakaleni kodwa-ke kugcine kumphoqa ukuthi akachaze njengoba-ke echazile naye ulitholile ithuba lokuthi achaze washo ukuthi
Hi guys, I'm seeing a lot of people asking me for a story time regarding what happened with the kids. First of all, I just want to clarify that I did not give the kids the edibles. They took them from my bag. I would never do that to kids, okay? I'm not crazy. So what happened was, so the kids found my cookies and then they ate them because I was cleaning the house, so I was not really paying attention to them at the time. That's how they got into my bag and took my cookies. And when I went outside, that's when I saw a packet of my cookies and the packet was empty. And I knew right there and then that the kids actually ate my cookies. I was also high at the time because before I started to clean, I also had a cookie. So I just started to panic. I didn't know what to do. So I told my sister that the kids ate the cookies. I told her that the kids ate the cookies. And we tried actually to get my brother to drink some milk. And we thought that it would help him because... So yeah, I've been trying to do the story time and it's really frustrating me, but moral of the story is the kids are okay. This is my niece and this is my child and this is my brother. This is the uncle and this is the niece. Yeah, they're okay. Say hi guys.
Hello.